Jansarat Chief Prashant Kishore has hit out of the Prime Minister over the Prime Minister's Jungle Raj remark. Now, Jansarat Chief Prashant Kishore has hit out at the Prime Minister, saying that the Prime Minister is instilling fear of RJD, in fact, to get votes. In the latest that we're tracking in the Bihar Assembly elections, Jansarat Chief Prashant Kishore has hit out at the Prime Minister over the Prime Minister's remarks on Jungle Raj. Now, Prashant Kishore has hit out at the Prime Minister, saying that both the BJP as well as Nitish Kumar are trying to hit out at Lalu Yadav to get votes. Important information we're tracking at this hour. Now, Prashant Kishore has said in I quote that NDA, BJP and Nitish are trying to show the fear of Lalu to get votes. Now, they're trying to say that Jungle Raj should not come back, and it is in lieu of that they're asking for votes. Important information we're tracking at this hour is Prashant Kishore has slammed the NDA for asking for votes while, of course, wreaking the Jungle Raj jibe against, of course, the RJD. Important information we're tracking at this hour. Prashant Kishore has said that BJP is trying to create an instill of Jungle Raj, and it is through that they're trying to come back into power. Let's also listen into what Prashant Kishore had to say.
आकर वोट ले रहे हैं क्योंकि अपने पास कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। तो पीछे कई दशकों से जो एनडीए है, भाजपा है, नीतीश भाजपा है, ये लोग का सबसे बेहतर वोट लेने का तरीका रहा है कि लालू जी का डर दिखाओ, जंगल राज का डर दिखाओ और वोट ले लो, ताकि लोग ये कहें कि भाई काम हुआ ना हुआ हो, कम से कम जंगल राज तो वापस नहीं आना चाहिए। लेकिन इस बार वो स्थिति बदली हुई है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये जो कह रहे हैं वो शायद उनको ज़मीनी हकीकत इतना पता नहीं चल रहा है। अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जंगल राज नहीं आना चाहिए तो लोग कह रहे हैं ठीक है नहीं आना चाहिए, लेकिन आप क्यों आना चाहिए? जनसुराज आना चाहिए। विकल्प तो एक नया दूसरा है। जब विकल्प नहीं था तब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बात ठीक थी, तब वो काम भी करता था। इस बार वो काम नहीं कर रहा है।
Well, you just heard Jansarat Chief Prashant Kishore. Now, Prashant Kishore has hit out at the Prime Minister over the Jungle Raj remark. Now, as per Kishore, the Prime Minister, including the NDA, is trying to instill a vote, in fact, a fear of RJD in order to get votes. Important to understand that Kishore has hit out at the NDA, saying that instead of focusing on the work done by the NDA in the past few years in Bihar, they are instead trying to create a fear of the RJD and RJD's Jungle Raj and trying to garner votes from, of course, the Bihar Assembly seats. Important to understand that the Jansarat chief has hit out at the NDA. He's hit out with BJP, Nitish Kumar as well as the Prime Minister over their Jungle Raj jibe. Well, on this, you have my colleague Tejashree joining us on the telecast. Now, Tejashree, help us understand. Of course, we just heard Prashant Kishore. He's hit out at the Prime Minister and the entire NDA, in fact, and has said that, instead of focusing on the work that they have done in Bihar, they are trying to make the election and rather the entire argument about getting votes about, Lalu Yadav's Jungle Raj coming back or not. They're saying that they're basing off the votes by trying to create a fear of Jungle Raj coming back. What is the latest that you're getting on this story?
Well, absolutely. Now the political war of words have intensified just ahead of the second phase of the Bihar Assembly elections, where now back-to-back rallies are being held from Prime Minister to Home Minister to Tejasvi Yadav and now Prashant Kishore as well, all set on the ground. But now Prashant Kishore, the Jansarat chief, is attacking the BJP and in fact also asking the voters that why you should vote the BJP. In fact, he also quoted Prime Minister saying that Prime Minister says that Jungle Raj should not return to power. Prime Minister is referring to Tejasvi Yadav that he should not return to power. RJD should not return to power. Then the Prashant Kishore also asks the people over there while addressing the rally that why Prime Minister should be voted to power. If not Jungle Raj, then why in fact the NDA should be voted to power. It is the Jansuraj who will be bringing the change for the people. People need change. People need employment, and that is and there where Jansuraj comes in, where Jansuraj will be changing the entire current scenario and the problems also that the people of Bihar have to face. Apart from that, he also in fact spoke about the Muslims and also about the appeasement politics that is going on. He alleged that the politics of appeasement is just being played and no work is done on the ground, and in fact also stated that the kind of work that he will be doing if his party is voted to power. Also in fact stated that they are trying to create fear in the Muslims. These all kind of statements that Prashant Kishore has given. Definitely BJP will also react to it. We'll also have to see, that how it stirs into a political war of words again.